Solidarity. Solidarity.
Trade union leaders in Uganda are demanding that government come up with mechanisms to implement guidelines set by Ministry of Health to safeguard workers against coronavirus.
They have taken measures to be able to help the citizens, which we appreciate and which we are ready to support, to comply with, because we need to protect ourselves. But also we must let them know that these additional issues must be put into consideration to ensure that workers are safe.
The councillor representing workers at Kampala Capital City Authority, Robert Wanzuzi Mutuku, is calling upon government to put in place safeguards to promote workers' safety at workplaces.
They have provided solutions. There is no solution provided here. If a sky agenda is here, you people are going to be shocked to see the whole factory wiped out within no time. It can be wiped out. And the people are going to say, we wish we did these things. They are going to start talking, we wish we did these things. But for me, as a person representing workers, I am very sure there is no measure taken in the workplace to protect the worker. It is not there. I don't know for you as journalists, maybe in your media houses, those measures are there. But I'm very sure they are not there. Other than these sanitizers that you are having, and one psychologically you think you are okay, you are not okay. Because the virus which is inside, which can be spread when somebody sneezes. I sneeze and you catch the virus.
Matuku calls for a comprehensive, coherent and action-oriented plan that aims at ensuring workers are not exposed to risks of acquiring coronavirus. He says the Ministry of Gender should be involved in the process of establishing mechanisms on the implementation of the coronavirus guidelines.
It was really a technical error to say that now, okay, the Ministry of Health is going to provide guidelines without allowing the Ministry of Labor to be able to enforce those guidelines. They should even play a role in the development of those guidelines. But unfortunately, we do not see them featuring anywhere, even when the President is speaking. And our worry, which we actually want government to take note of, is that there is a likelihood guidelines will be produced and announced to the public without a mechanism for enforcement. Yeah? And I don't know why this Ministry of Labor is always relegated to the periphery every time issues arise. I don't know. I don't know why, but these are issues that we want clearly to explain. Because the law is very clear. When it comes to labor inspection, the mandate is given to the Ministry of Labor. When it comes to compliance with the standards, the mandate is given to the Ministry of Labor and the law. The mandate is not, the Ministry of Health completely has no role. But you can see, they are the ones who are the forefront, providing guidelines. And those guidelines, we don't see the Ministry of Labor playing a role. We don't see the stakeholders being brought on board. Employers' meetings should be held with employers, workers, and government representatives to discuss how best to manage this situation in workplaces.
The workers' advocate says government should step in to support workers with no accessible and affordable safety and health safeguards.
A problem like this comes, it's affecting all of us. All of us must be able to work together and ensure that the problem is resolved. There should be even resources put aside. These multinational companies that are making a lot of money from Uganda, this is a time for them to demonstrate that out of the huge profits we have made here, we are going to support putting in place these measures to ensure workers. The tycoons we have here, people who keep calling themselves rich people, they are keeping money for who? This is a time for them to donate resources to help workplaces. Because there are some workplaces, they may even be interested in putting in place measures, but they have no money. Honestly speaking, there are some workplaces, some companies don't even have money to put in place these measures. Now, such workplaces, when they identify, government should quickly come in and provide measures.
Labour lawyer Kagoye Robina is icked with negative attitude of most employers who are selfishly bent on making abnormal profits at the expense of their employees' working conditions.
Workers in this country are treated as commodities. They are not treated as citizens, they are not treated as consumers. And they're not really taken to be, I think, really people who matter in the community. Yet, actually, they contribute almost 30% of their salaries as pay as you earn. They contribute so much to the revenue of this country.
She attributes the current trend that has left feeble workers vulnerable with no protection to lack of political will by government to improve the welfare of workers in the country.
You have seen the government's attitude just towards a minimum wage, a decent wage. Just a minimum wage that can take care of the minimum basic needs of a worker. That alone the government has failed. But even when it comes to labor inspection, for me, I would not say the money is not there. The money is there because workers are contributing the money. But the problem, the biggest fundamental problem here is lack of political will. I think our president doesn't really look at workers as really consumers, citizens, but I think labor is commodified. If labor is not commodified, the government would always act fairly towards workers. Still, it comes to the political will. I would say that. Because if you have resources to allocate towards appointment of RDCs, then why shouldn't you allocate resources to the workers?
The legal expert calls for regular labor inspection of workplaces to ascertain conditions under which workers operate to ensure acceptable labor standards and adherence to labor laws in the country.
For a very long time in Uganda, we believe capitalists have made profits. So during these 32 days, at least they should squeeze from the profits they have made and give workers paid leave. For the companies that are struggling, the workers have been paying taxes to the government. It's also time for the government to give back to the workers. Let the government come in and pay the workers, send the workers on paid leave.